complete this thing, huh? Acha, already circle done up to diameter radius. Now write one relationship between diameter and radius. Write diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Now it may come as a fill in the blank. How? That maybe it is given diameter is equal to dash into radius. Then you will have to write 2. Got it though? Now the next thing also note down. Radius is equal to half of diameter. TER, huh? Here. Complete. Radius is equal to half of diameter. All of you written this? Mousha, Parijat, Moushim, Farzana, Shirin, Shaud, Mohammad Sahim, Bahia, Trisha. Written? Acha, okay, then I am clearing the screen, huh? Now let me clear it. Riser done to? Acha, okay, now do the next one. After that, draw one more circle. Draw the circle first. Draw one more circle. Now I'll make you learn chord, second, segment, sector. Acha, before that, all of you draw the circle. Suppose we are taking any 2 points on the circle, okay? And we are going to join them. Then this line is known as chord. Now you can say, ma'am, also diameter is the same thing, so Ishika, diameter also we are taking 2 points on the circle. Yes or no? But what is the difference? Diameter will pass through the center. Understood? And chord may or may not pass through the center. Now write CD. This one is chord. This one AB diameter. Got it? Understood? So now let me write. Don't worry, stop to write this. At first try to understand. Second. What is second? Suppose we are drawing a line which passes through the circle. Look, in this way. But we are drawing this one and it should stop over there. Look. Chord means, look, this has been stopped on the circle. But in second, is there any end point? Pass करके निकल गया ना? It has gone through the circle, yes or no? Noras, Farhan, Enakshi. So, which one is passing through the circle in this way? That one is called second. This is called second. Write this. Second. And this one is known as chord. Which one has been stopped on the 2 points of a circle? जो circle के ही 2 point पे stop हो गया. This one is known as chord. Got it? Chord means, look at this. This one is the circle. So, chord means two endpoints are on the circle. Second means a line passing through the circle, intersecting the circle at 2 points. Now write this one. Chord and second. First chord. A line segment having its endpoint on the circle. Enakshi, Shahil, Jamal, keep your camera on. Acha, now second. Right, second. A line passing through a circle. A line passing through a circle and intersecting the circle at 2 points. Intersecting the circle at 2 endpoints. All of you understood or not? Let me clear it. At 2 points, huh? Any 2 point, not end point. End point means chord. Look at this. All of you listen to me. Oishi, Paushali, listen to me very carefully. Look, chord means there are 2 endpoints on the circle. It is already stopped. Second means it is intersecting the circle and it is passing through. Nikal gaya. Look, it is not the end point. There are more parts. Understood, Oishi? Oishi, first shake your head. Have you understood these 2 things? Yes or no? No, okay. Look at this. All of you written the statement though. Farhan, not completed. Write little bit faster, beta. Look, this one has 2 endpoints on the circle. Oishi, look at this. 2 endpoints on the circle. It has stopped. If we cannot produce them, here, got it? Suppose we produce them, agar produce kar diya, then it will be second. When it will be stopped, agar stop kar diya, then it will be chord. Now, Oishi, clear? Meheria, okay. Farzana, acha, now the statement all of you written though. Those who are unable to write this, give some space. थोड़ा सा जगह रख दो जिसने नहीं लिखा. हाँ, मैं बाद में दिखाऊंगी. ओके, okay. Now look at this. The next one. So chord and second done. Now arc of a circle. Though I have explained this, suppose a part of a circle is known arc. A part of a circle arc means a part of a circle of a circle. Okay, look, suppose I'm writing A, take here 1 point X, B, then it is denoted by, it is denoted by A X B, and this one is known as arcto. So this symbol we will have to give. Note down. Parijat, are you there? I know you are not there. You have just set a still picture of you. Okay. Are you there, Parijat? Okay. फरहान मलिक राइट फर्स्ट. फरहान जो पहले वाला है ना उसके लिए थोड़ा सा जगह रख दो, ठीक है? अच्छा, अच्छा. Now arc means anything. अच्छा, suppose we are taking here one part. This one will also known as arc. Okay. Suppose you are giving name P Q. Then we can also write PQ is also known as arc, denoted by this. Got it? So arc clear? Meheria, Noraz, Shushnata, Shirin, Afrina, Somdatta, Shaud, Rajpreet, Raiza, Mousha, Moushim, Nusaiba, Trisha, Anuvab, Ashmit. Clear or not? Okay, good. Shampriti, Sharanya, Ashia, Mohammed. Oishani, Ovipsha, Swarnakshi. So, yes or no? Okay, okay. Now look at this. Acha, now second up to arc done. Second done. Chord done. Now segment and sector. Okay. Acha, before that write semicircle. Semicircle. Semicircle means half of its boundary. Okay. Semicircle means half of its boundary. Suppose we are taking a diameter over there. Okay. Then half of its boundary, this length is known as semicircle. And here in the lower part also. Got it? That is called semicircle. That means the circular region that divides by the diameter, or a diameter of a circle divides two circular region. Okay, the boundary or the length of its boundary is known as semicircle. This one. Okay, keep your camera on. Are you writing? Anubhav, are you writing? Just note down this one, okay? Now write the diameter the end points of diameter, right? Huh? It will be much better. The end, all of you written diameter. Just note down this one. The end points of diameter of a circle divide the circle into two equal parts. Into two equal parts. Each part is called a semicircle. Each part is called a semicircle. This one is circle, huh? Each part is called a semicircle. Semicircle, I am writing it properly, huh? Now note down. First, next one, segment and sector. Done to? All of you completed? Mohammad Sahib, Meheria, Anubhav, Ashmit, Trisha, Paushali, Mohammad Nahid. Done? Shirin, Oishani, Obhipsha, Nusaiba, Bahia. Okay. Acha, good. Mousha, done? Okay, acha, good. Okay, I am clearing the screen, huh? Now write, give heading segment. Draw one more circle. Draw another circle. Everybody draw one more circle. Give heading segment. Write a chord divide. A chord divides sorry. Equal, two parts. Each part is called a segment. That means what? Stop writing. Everyone stop writing and try to understand. Suppose I am taking a chord. Huh? This one is a chord. Yes, so now there are two parts now. First one is this. Second one is this. Yes or no? Nusaiba, Sirin, all the Shushnath, okay. So these part are known as segment. This one is small now. So this small part is known as minor segment, and this bigger part is known as major segment. Is it clear to everyone? Mousha, Rajpreet, Somdatta, Ashmit, Anubhav, Sampriti, Sharanya, Muhammad Nahid. Understood to this one? Paushali? Okay. Now write. Acha, here write major segment. Major segment. Acha, let me write it in huh? So minor segment. Okay. There is no space properly. Let me write it over there. Minor segment. MINOR, minor segment. Okay. This part, this blue part is known as minor segment. Okay. And this red part is known as major segment. Got it? Is it clear to everyone? Moshim, Sharanya, Oishani, Obipsha, Azdadur, Enakshi, Rajpreet, Shaud, Shifatak, Farhan Akhtar, Wajid, Shahil, Jamal, and Ashif Molla. Understood too? Acha, Shayon, Anushka, Shoikat, keep your camera on. Anjum, are you there? Are you doing the class, Anjum? Okay, now done. Now let me explain segment. Sorry, this one segment done. Now sector. Okay, I'm clearing the screen, huh? Ishika. Shayon done to? Pratibha understood too? Acha, okay. Now do the next one. Farzana. Done, done. Done to? Okay. Now look at this. Now give heading sector. Sector means what? Look at this. Basically, it is given in this way, okay? We have to take one arc and the end points of the arc, we have to join with its center. Got it? that one is known as sector. Just like watermelon, na? Yes, to. Just like a watermelon. Partially, this one is known as minor sector as it is less part, and the outer portion, this one is known as major sector. Got it? Look at this. All of you don't draw it in another circle. Draw another circle and write this one. Okay. This one is major sector. Major sector. This one is minor sector. Acha, let me write it here. Minor sector. Done, Tom. So, what is a sector, Meheria? Partially, what will be the answer, Ankita? A sector means a portion or a part joined by an arc. Yes? Just shake your head if it is yes. Partially? Yes, okay. And to ready, joining by the end points of the arc. These two ready. Okay, now write. The area bounded by an arc and to ready. Achha, ready means plural form of radius. Double I, huh? Two radius means single one. So two are there. That's why ready. Okay, double I. To ready, joining the end points of the arc. Of the arc with its center. Center, C-E-N-T-R-E, huh? All of you written? I'm waiting for 2 more minutes. Huh? Write this first. Oishi, I am coming. Achha, now let me know one by one that all of you understood or not. Write this one, and if you have understood, when I'll take your name, you will just shake your head. Huh? Somdatta, Sushnata, Afrina, Nouraz. Okay. Good. Next, Oishi, Azjadur, Raiza. Acha, good. Next, Shirin, Nusaiba, Anubhav. Yes. And Shirin, where is your uniform? Wait. Acha, okay. Anubhav understood? Okay, next. Ashmit, Meheria. Ashmit, shake your head if you have understood first. Ashmit, Meheria. Okay, good. Yes, Ashmit, I have seen. Okay. Acha, Paushali, Maushim. Paushali, Maushim and Ankita, Parijat, Ankita, Parijat, Ashia, Trisha. If you have understood, just shake your head. Okay, beta. Bonusri, Mousha, Sheikh Irfan, Shoikot. Okay, okay. Acha, Anjum, today you joined late. And why are you dancing at the first period? I was taking your sister's class. And I could see that you were dancing. Acha, okay. Have you understood? Anjum, Shahim, Mohammad Nahid, and Rajpreet? These 4 students? Okay, okay, good. Shampriti, Sharanya, Ashif, Enakshi, and Sayon. Sayon, okay. Good, huh? Acha, Farzana, Wahia, Shoikot, Oishani, Obipsha. Oishani, Obipsha, keep your camera on, beta, now. Now you have to keep your camera on, okay? And say whether have you understood or not. Acha, Farhan Malik, Shoikot Bera, Wajid, Shoikot, okay, good. Shifat, Shornakshi, Shaud, Anushka, Shulagna, and Prativa. Keep your camera on and say. Achha, okay, so today all the students understood. Very good. Acha, tomorrow I'll start some exercise question, okay, which may important for the exam. Okay. And after Diwali, I'll start the next chapter. Which one is left? Only one chapter is left. So now